Hello friends, welcome to our channel. This is Dr. Sharma. You are the artist of your own life. Don't hand the paintbrush to anyone else. So, without wasting our time, let's start our topic. In this video, I am going to show new stroke today. Shall we start, friends? So, we'll begin now. We practiced already the stroke, but now which we are going to practice that you may feel new, but it's not new. Observe carefully, it's very easy, otherwise you might feel difficult, you may feel, so please observe me. So here already practiced C together, but here continuous it is without raising your pen, means you should not lift your wrist or pen or pencil, whatever it may be. You observe together how many times it's possible to your hand, where you can stop, observe and okay, like this. Once again I show. If you hold pen tightly, can't move freely. So pen or pencil you should not hold tightly, and fingers on your pen, and you should not press on the paper also. If you press also, you can't move your wrist freely. So everything should be perfect. Okay, I show once again. Okay, if you're feeling difficult, means I give one idea. I have one idea here. You just break first. Anyhow you practice there, no, twice. After twice, practice twice. Next practice 3 times, thrice. Thrice 2 times practice. Again 4. This 4 times, 2 times practice. So here again next 5 times. So like this. Next 6. Like this twice you practice 6. So If you break like this, you feel easy to practice. After 6, after 7. Okay, like this if you practice, at last you can continuously practice C together without raising your hand, that means without lifting your pen or pencil or wrist. You can observe. Like this, continuous. If you have place, you can continue. Same as okay. How we practice C now, same as we have to practice A also. Twice, thrice, 4 times, 5 times. Next 6 times. Same as you practice like that. If you can, you practice continuously. I show now continuously, observe. So once again I show. Okay friends, once last time I will show you. A only. Okay friends, like this you have to practice. We have completed 12 yet now, including these two, 12. So 12, if you practice thoroughly, only then it's easy to practice the next stroke. Otherwise you may feel difficult, but this is all second day work. But I do not know whether you have practiced or not, but beginning C, if you are feeling difficult to practice continuous like this, you step by step practice. First 2 times, next 3, next 4, next 5, next 6, next 7, next 8. The next continuous 10 means continuous until line. At least 10 should be. Same as A also, where you practice A also twice, again 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, 6 times, like that continue. You feel easy to practice continuously. But this is and this is C continuous important. If you practice continuous C and A, you feel very easy to write sentences. Okay friends, we meet in the next video. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Vande Mataram.